Hey everyone, really quick video. It's not a joke this time. This is to do with radiator hoses. It's going to be a quick one. This is the top radiator hose off the Hilux. There's the part number in case you want one. Obviously this is the new top hose. Why am I replacing it? Well, this one, when it came in, it was obviously hot, but see how it's all, can you see that swelling like beyond the clamps? To the point that I thought it was an aftermarket hose, swelling up. Look, the Toyota hose, even when they're hot, generally they stay in pretty good shape. They're really good quality rubber. I don't know what it is, who makes them, whatever, but what I'm trying to point out is I've recently said, and I will say, that generally you do not need to replace any of your radiator hoses on a lot of the Toyotas, all these Prados, Hiluxes, whatever, the ones I see. But when it looks like this and it starts to get like that, because what happens is the rubber, it swells up, it stretches here, and that's where it can start to get splits and break next to the clamp. So these are expensive suckers, so the self-tensioning clamps, we always reuse those. Don't worry about those other silly worm drive, screwdriver, crappy things from the old, but don't make it look like an old Tirana. Just reuse these. I think they were about 15 bucks each or something ridiculous, where the hose is about 20, well, it cost you probably 25 bucks, something like that. But the clamps were very expensive. Anyway, told you, quick video. So that's my advice on radiator hoses. Always check the condition, have a feel of them, and if you can feel soft spots, bubbles, they're bubbled up, that's when it's time to start replace it before it bursts open. Thanks for watching. Catch ya.